Hi, my name is Nikki Henger, and I am the Forestry Program Coordinator here at the St. Croix River Association. Our forestry program began in 2012 with a U.S. Forest Service grant to explore the connection between forested land and water quality in the St. Croix watershed. Landscape-wide plans were created, which showed how environmental challenges are linked together in an area and how land management can affect water quality. The plans also highlighted opportunity areas for land conservation in the watershed. This work has allowed SCRA to connect with landowners in these opportunity areas and provide them with a one-stop shop for forestry-related resources, helping them keep their wooded lands wooded. Why would we put this much effort into forestry being a river organization? Rivers are more than just the product of its headwaters. Looking at a watershed map, you can see how much land is included. The forested land in the St. Croix watershed is over 2 million acres, which is 3.5 times the size of Rhode Island and plays a critical role in keeping the waters of the riverway clean and healthy. Almost 75% of that forested land is privately owned, which means that connecting with and supporting these landowners is crucial. Forests act as natural filters during storms, physically slowing down the rainwater. Trees absorb and filter excess water and nutrients, acting as a buffer to pollution. Their roots hold the soil intact and their leaves shelter the river from the sun, creating a cooler atmosphere that is needed for many fish species. Without forests, storms could cause flooding, shoreline erosion, and the dumping of excess pollutants into the river, harming the aquatic inhabitants. Protecting the woods surrounding the St. Croix and Namakagon rivers is protecting the St. Croix National Scenic Riverway and its occupants. A diverse and healthy forest also builds resilience in the impacts of climate change. As trees grow, they absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen for us to breathe. That carbon dioxide is then stored in the tree as wood. Forests and their soils absorb carbon. Planting and maintaining our forests is one way to help us mitigate climate change. SCRA provides support to the landowners in our watershed. Owning woodlands and properly managing it can be overwhelming, so we created a hotline for landowners to talk to us and ask questions. We provide support and advice and can also connect landowners with programs that make owning forested lands more enjoyable.